If you have an Xbox Series X, Series S or Xbox One and you want to connect your Xbox console to your Pioneer Xumo TV, then in this quick guide, I'll show you how you can properly connect and set up your Xbox console with your Xumo 4K Smart TV properly so that you can get the best gaming experience. First of all, start by connecting your Xbox console to your Pioneer Xumo TV using the included high-speed HDMI cable. And while connecting the HDMI cable, if you have the HDMI ARC or eARC port empty, then make sure to plug it into that port for better performance. After that, grab the power cord, plug it into your Xbox console properly, and then connect it to the power. Now grab your Xbox controller, make sure it has battery, then long press on the Xbox button, which should turn on your Xbox console. And after it turns on, your Pioneer Xumo TV should switch to it automatically. In case it doesn't, then from the home screen, just go down to Inputs or press the input button on your Xumo TV remote and then choose your console from there. Now your Xbox is ready to play. But before you start gaming, there's some settings that you need to change for the best experience. Let's start with the Xbox console settings. From the home screen, go up and open Settings. Then go straight to TV and Display options. Here, first make sure you have selected the highest possible resolution. And right below that, you'll see an option called Device Control, which is HDMI CEC. Make sure it's enabled so that you can control your TV and console's power together. Now, if we go to the Setup section, you can view your 4K TV details to check which features your TV supports. Then you can also calibrate your TV's picture settings and HDR for games by following the on-screen prompts until it's complete. Then you can go to Advanced Video Modes and make sure 4K, HDR and Dolby Vision is turned on, and also Auto Low Latency mode. And after you have checked all these settings, grab your Xumo TV remote, press the Settings button and open Picture and Sound Settings. Then go to Picture Settings, and here you'll need to change it from the default, which is Energy Saving, to Game for Low Latency, or if you're using a custom settings, select Custom. These settings can be further customized. After customizing the picture settings, we can go back one step, and your Xumo TV also have some audio settings that you can customize. From the settings, you can apply bass boost, equalize your audio, change your digital audio output format, etc. Now that we have customized and corrected both the TV and the console settings, you're ready to jump into gaming. So that's how you can properly connect your Xbox console to your Pioneer Xumo TV. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit a like, subscribe to support our channel, and game on.